Patience, the Brainy Tutor, and today we are going to be discussing intercepts and specifically how to find x-intercepts and y-intercepts. So an x-intercept is a point where the graph crosses the x-axis, and a y-intercept is a point where the graph crosses the y-axis. So to find an x-intercept, we just need to let our y be 0. And to find our y-intercept, we let x be 0. In this problem, we do have 2x minus y is equal to 4. What we want to do is go ahead and find the intercepts and also graph the equation, and then find the domain and the range as well. So we're going to find the x-intercept, y-intercept, domain, as well as range. So we stated that to find the x-intercept, we need to let y be 0. So to find intercept, let our y be 0 and solve the equation. So here we have 2x is equal to 4, then dividing both sides by 2, x is equal to 2. So our x-intercept will be 2, 0. So that means our equation will cross the graph on the x-axis at 2, 0. To find y-intercept, remember we are going to let our x be 0, and we know anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So if we allow the x to be 0, now we have our negative y is equal to 4, and if we divide by a negative number on both sides, y will be negative 4. So our y-intercept is going to be 0, negative 4. So this is where the graph, our graph will cross the y-axis at point 0, negative 4, and it will cross the x-axis at point 2, 0. Now, after determining that, we can find the domain. Of course, we would have to graph the equation, and since it's a straight line, I know that the domain will be negative infinity to positive infinity, and so will the range. But you can go ahead and check that to make sure by graphing it. Next equation we're going to use is y is equal to 3x plus 1. To find x-intercept, we need 0 is equal to 3x plus 1. Subtract 1 from both sides, we'll have negative 1 is equal to 3x. Divide both sides by 3, x is equal to negative 1/3. So our x-intercept will be negative 1/3 and 0. Then to find the y-intercept, we're going to go ahead and make our x 0. So we'll have y is equal to 1 because 3 times 0 is 0. So our y-intercept is going to be 0, 1. Now, on your own, I would like you to try one problem. Please try for me y is equal to 2x plus 9. Go ahead and find the domain, the range, the x-intercept, and y-intercept. Thank you so much for watching the Brainy Tutor, and continue subscribing, continue watching, and letting me know the questions that you have and how you would like to receive assistance from me. Have a great day.